Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting power and peripherals, then remove the hard drive and bottom faceplate so you can access screws. You do this because trapped power and connected devices can short components. Once done, ground yourself and arrange tools to avoid losing fasteners. Make sure to work in a well-lit area. Poor visibility causes mistakes. Now unscrew the case fasteners in sequence, keeping screws labeled. You're opening the system to reach the motherboard for the only reliable fix. You'll remove the board and strip old thermal compound so you can see and address solder fatigue. You do this because the 4-light fault is caused by GPU failure from microfractures. Once removed, inspect joints. If they look cracked, you'll perform a precise reflow. Heat evenly to solder reflow temperature. Follow a timed profile to avoid warping. After cooling, apply fresh high-quality thermal paste and reseat the heatsink. This restores solder connections and allows the GPU to make solid contact again. You reassemble the console carefully, reconnecting cables and the hard drive so contacts align properly. You do this because loose connections mimic the same fault. Once powered, watch the LEDs and let the console idle for 10 to 15 minutes to confirm stability. If the 4 lights return, you likely need BGA reballing or a replacement board because reflow sometimes fails long-term. If problems continue, a professional repair or buying a donor board is the reliable last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.